What's up, guys? I really meant to do this video before the strap video, but let's just say I had a little pressure to put that last video out. I'll keep it at that. But anyways, this is the video telling you guys where I've been. I've been MIA for a while. The channel really has picked up ever since I just started doing just boat builds. Probably the first part of this year, it's really started off, and I decided to go full swing with just that. A lot of you guys have reached out and asked, what's up, because I haven't done any videos here lately. And this video, I'm going to explain where I've been and what is going on with the channel. So, my last boat build was the orange boat, the Luma Crush, and my personal boat, and probably my favorite boat build to date, because I guess I just really enjoyed it, and I felt like it was full swing. I kind of got a grip on how to do a lot of things with these boats. And after that, what I did was I didn't want to do another John boat to bass boat build. I don't want to keep doing the same build over and over and over, like with just different color schemes or, minor things that are different. I want to do something different, legit, every single boat build if I can. I know that's, kind of limited. I can't just keep on, but I'd like to mix it up a lot and do some different things. So that's what hung me up for a while at the end of that boat build, because I was trying to think of something out of the box, and I thought of something. I wanted to do a duck hunting boat, and I decided to do that. It was a great time of year to do it, because the time that I would get done, it would be right at opening of duck season here in Tennessee, and I felt like it'd be an easy sell. Now, I did find a few boats on like Marketplace, but every time it was some kind of glitch, like it was either too far, a little out of my price, I didn't want to come off the money, stuff like that. But as luck would have it, I didn't buy a boat, which sounds bad for the channel, but many of you guys probably do not know my regular job. I work for Kellogg's, the Kellogg cereal plant, and you may or may not know that we have been on strike since I believe October 4th, and today is December the 10th, and we are still on strike. That means I have not worked since the end of September, because just how it landed, we didn't work the first couple of days in October for a plant cleanup, and then lo and behold, we did actually go on strike. So what had happened with the boat builds is every time I sold one, I saved the money and to go go towards the next boat build. That way I'm not like using money out of my regular account. I can just kind of, throw a little bit of flair to every boat and not worry about, it's costing me a lot of money. Well, I was thinking, I don't have a job. So I held off as long as I could. And I think around the 1st of November, I finally said, this stack of cash needs to go to my bank account. So I used my boat building funds to go to my bank account, and I used all of it, and now I'm glad that I had the extra money, because it's helped me out a lot. But that has really kind of dampened my opportunities to get boats. Like, I don't even want to look on Marketplace right now, because I'm sure it's all kinds of deals out there. I actually sold a trolling motor the other day to a guy that just bought a boat, a really nice boat, like a 1648 Alumacraft console. I can't remember. I think it was like a 40 horse on it. Nice, nothing like special, but just a really nice boat for like $1,400. I think it just made me think, crap. What a time to be out of a job and not have any money. And I haven't worked since Kellogg's. I've got by. I've been pretty smart with my money, and I've had a lot in savings. I kind of feel a little on the lazy side because I haven't went out and got a job, but I don't. Kellogg's pays good, and for it to be worth my while, I need to get a job that pays pretty good, and I don't want to get a job, go through all the steps to get a job, and then as soon as the strike's over, have to burn a bridge and go back to Kellogg's. And that's why I haven't done it. I've done construction a lot in my life, so I'm kind of waiting on that. My brother has a few houses that he has built, and they're going to drop interior trim, so I'll be able to help him do that. And I still have some savings that I can go through, so I don't want to turn this into a woe is me, I need some money. It's going to be all right. I'm going to make it. But as far as like going out and spending thousands of dollars on boats to make YouTube videos, like that had to come to a halt. But speaking of that, I have recently came up with a very good idea on a budget-friendly boat build that I think I'm going to start. This is a little time sensitive. Hoping I can get my hands on it before it's too late and I can start this hopefully next week. It's not going to be a very long series, but it is one that I feel like if you're strapped for cash, like I am right now, it could really pertain to you. Like I said earlier, I don't want to do the same old thing, and this one will be definitely a lot different without giving too much away. But one that a lot of people can go and do. But anyways, that's where I've been, and I got monetized, I don't know, maybe 4 months ago or something like that. I think the channel just hit 2,500 subscribers, and hey, that's money in the bank, and I really appreciate that. It's not making a whole lot of money, but right now, $150 to $200 a month is nice when you don't have any other income coming in other than dipping into your savings. So, like I said, I just really wanted to do a video, let you guys know the channel is not dead, and I'm looking forward to starting a new series. A lot of it has been deer hunting, and if you know me, I like to fish. Building boats is very fun, but for me, deer hunting is number one. I absolutely love deer hunting. I've been doing it since I was 10 years old, and it's just a very great passion of mine. So usually this time of the year, anything else I have going on in life, it kind of gets shelved. And I killed a buck this past Tuesday, actually. It's nothing really to write home about. Last year I did film all of my deer hunts, and YouTube just puts a really big C block on deer hunting channels or hunting channels. So this year I decided just to not even fool with it, recording any hunts. But that being said, since I've got my buck, put it that way, I feel like a little bit of the pressure's off and I can pump the brakes a little bit. I'm still going to be hunting pretty hard the rest of this week and a little bit of next week. Season in here in Tennessee goes through, I think, the first week of January. But really up until Christmas, I start petering out a lot and I don't hunt that much anymore. So I will be looking for something to fill my time, and like I said, this new boat project idea I have in mind is going to fit in perfectly. I won't guarantee it'll be next week, but maybe, hopefully before Christmas, I'll have a new little mini series on boat building. So that is coming up, hopefully, if I can get my hands on this deal, and if not, I could still just go buy, there's John boats all over Marketplace for $200 that I could go buy and do something to, just to make a video, because I will have some extra time on my hands. So, but anyways, I want to say I really appreciate you guys, the ones that's reached out and asked what's going on, if I'm okay. I am okay, everything's going to be okay, and hopefully I can get to making a new video real soon. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you on the next one, hopefully a boat build.